Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of tablets with the Honor Pad 9. Packed with powerful features and a stunning display, this device is a game-changer in the tablet market. Let's explore its specs and find out what makes it stand out from the crowd. First up, let's talk about the design. The Honor Pad 9 boasts a sleek and slim profile, measuring just 10.95 by 7.09 by 0.28 inches and weighing a mere 1.2 pounds. Its lightweight and compact form factor make it perfect for carrying around whether you're traveling or commuting. Now let's delve into the display. The Honor Pad 9 features a breathtaking 12.1-inch IPS LCD display with an impressive resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides an immersive viewing experience, while the 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and fluid visuals. Additionally, with 500 nit brightness, the screen remains vibrant even in brightly lit environments, making it ideal for outdoor use as well. Moving on to performance, the Honor Pad 9 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor paired with the Adreno 710 GPU. This powerful combination ensures seamless multitasking, efficient app launches, and smooth gameplay. With 8 GB of RAM, you can run multiple apps simultaneously without any lag, while the ample 256 GB of storage provides ample space for all your files, apps, and media. Now, let's talk about the price. Despite its premium features, the Honor Pad 9 comes at an affordable price of just £299. This makes it a compelling option for anyone looking for a high-performance tablet without breaking the bank. In terms of user experience, the Honor Pad 9 excels in every aspect. Whether you're using it for work or play, it delivers a seamless and intuitive experience. The included stylus allows for precise input, making it ideal for note-taking, drawing, or editing photos. The high-definition display and powerful speakers provide an immersive media consumption experience, perfect for watching movies or streaming content. Additionally, the tablet's long-lasting battery ensures you can stay productive or entertained throughout the day without constantly needing to recharge. The Honor Pad 9 is a versatile and feature-packed tablet that offers exceptional value for its price. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and intuitive user experience, it's a device that caters to the needs of both professionals and entertainment enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy with the Honor